Good morning, everyone. My name is Marc Borrett, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Reactive Technologies. Reactive Technologies is a grid intelligence and data and analytics company. We've developed a suite of highly innovative cloud-based solutions around measurement, control, and analytics. We have over 75 granted patents and a further 70 going through local country approvals, which in this area puts us as having one of the largest IP portfolios globally. We've built a team of really excellent communications engineers and energy industry experts to really push the envelope of what's possible in the energy industry. And last month we were awarded the Global Distributed Energy Company of the Year award by industry analyst Frost & Sullivan. As a business, we've had two breakthroughs, both of which have been world firsts, and both of which open up really exciting opportunities for us as a company. But we think they also open up each interesting opportunities for the energy industry as a whole. The first one was late last year. We announced that we had successfully, for the first time, transmitted data through the entire UK grid, safely and securely with National Grid. What this does is potentially open up a new way for communicating with energy assets, big or small, across an entire energy grid. However, it also opens up a second opportunity. That second opportunity, by being able to communicate within a grid, allows us to see many different phenomena within a grid. And one of those phenomena was a bit like the energy industry's equivalent of the Higgs boson, which is grid inertia. And earlier this year, again with National Grid, we were able to prove for the first time that we could measure system inertia or grid inertia in real time, and this is a game changer in the industry. So why is inertia important? Well, it's the fundamental stabilizing component of a synchronous energy grid. So if inertia starts to drop, system frequency becomes unstable and more volatile. And if you're a system operator, having low inertia means you have a grid that is harder to manage and more costly to manage on a second-by-second basis. And ultimately, if you have very low inertia, you really run a significant risk of blackout. So it's hugely important. So what's happening to inertia? Well, it's declining. So as we saw from Matthias early on, with the transition, we have large synchronous generation, coal or gas plants coming off the grid. They are high inertia contributors, and they're being replaced by low inertia contributing renewable generation assets. So as we go into this green energy transition, yes, we get a cleaner grid, but we also get a less stable one. The other problem for a system operator is that they cannot measure inertia. They can only estimate it based from known factors from their synchronous generators. So this is really putting them into an unknown area. And fundamentally, as that synchronous generation declines, so their estimates become more and more inaccurate at a point where they need to become more accurate. We have a solution called Grid Metrics. We believe it opens up a new world for grid operators to see and understand their grids like never before. It enables live system views and the ability to accurately understand many different system parameters of their grids in real time, such as inertia, and this improves their decision making, both in terms of procurement and also risk management. And fundamentally, that can mean significant savings to them in their annual spend and ultimately better outcomes for energy consumers. This opens up for us a high number of exciting addressable markets to deliver premium services. And this energy transition is obviously happening on a global scale. We are in advanced discussions with a number of TSOs around the world. So to wrap up, we have strong existing and new customer traction, which will drive highly exciting revenues and profit levels. We as a management team believe we can hit a 10 million EBITDA by 2021. Right now, we've opened a strategic investor growth round that will close in March 2018, and obviously I'm very open to expressions of interest. So we have exciting times ahead indeed, and thank you very much for listening. Thank you.
Very, very good. How much are you raising? Do you want to give us an idea how much you need?
Between 15 and 20 million.
15 to 20. And that will be a Series B round or C round?
Series C.
C round, okay. Yeah. So just remember, we have somebody raising a C round at Ecosummit London, okay?
Thank you.
Cool, thank you.
Thank you.